Imagine waking up tomorrow morning feeling powerful again. Your joints don't ache, your muscles feel alive, and you stand taller, steadier, ready to move with confidence. No more stiffness, no more soreness that makes you hesitate to climb stairs or take that morning walk. Just calm energy and quiet strength. Now, what if I told you this transformation could begin tonight? Not with expensive treatments or hours of exercise, but simply by taking 2 overlooked vitamins before bed. As we age, many of us start believing that weakness, soreness, and slow recovery are just part of getting older. But the truth is, your body still has incredible potential to rebuild, to grow stronger, and to renew itself every single night, if only you give it the right tools. Inside your body right now lies the same biology that once allowed you to heal, recover, and build muscle easily. The only difference is that with time, our nutrient levels fall, our hormones shift, and our recovery systems slow down. But 2 simple vitamins, vitamin D and vitamin C, can help reactivate those natural repair systems while you sleep. These 2 nutrients don't just help you rest, they actually help your muscles rebuild themselves as you dream, allowing you to wake up stronger, more mobile, and more energized than before. Think about this for a moment. Most people believe muscles grow during exercise, but that's not true. Exercise doesn't build muscle, it breaks it down. What truly makes you stronger is how your body repairs those muscles afterward. That repair happens while you sleep. Deep sleep is nature's construction zone. During these hours, your brain releases growth hormone, your cells regenerate, your immune system resets, and your muscles begin to rebuild themselves fiber by fiber. It's a process your body wants to perform perfectly, but without the right nutrients, it can't. That's where vitamin D and vitamin C step in. Let's start with vitamin D, often called the sunshine vitamin, but in truth, it acts more like a hormone than a vitamin. It plays a direct role in how your muscles rebuild and how your body creates strength. Scientists have found that people with higher vitamin D levels recover faster, have greater muscle tone, and suffer less soreness after activity. For seniors, this is even more critical because vitamin D helps regulate calcium and phosphorus, 2 minerals essential for healthy muscle contraction and bone strength. But the magic happens when you take vitamin D at night, right before sleep. Why? Because that's when your body begins its repair process. Vitamin D works in harmony with your natural growth hormones, enhancing protein synthesis and giving your muscles the signal to rebuild stronger and denser. Now here's something most people don't realize. Vitamin D deficiency is one of the most common health problems among adults over 60. Even those who live in sunny places often don't get enough because we spend most of our time indoors, or we wear sunscreen that blocks the rays that trigger vitamin D production. As a result, our bodies quietly lose one of the most powerful repair tools they have. That's why many seniors feel weaker, slower, and more fatigued even when they eat well. Their cells simply don't have the spark they need to rebuild. When you take vitamin D at night, you're reigniting that spark. You're giving your muscles the green light to restore what time has taken away. But the real magic begins when you pair it with vitamin C. Most of us think of vitamin C as something we take to avoid catching a cold, but for your muscles, it's one of the most vital nutrients you can have. Every time you move, stretch, or even go for a walk, your muscles rely on collagen, the connective tissue that holds everything together. Think of collagen as the framework that keeps your muscles, tendons, and joints strong and flexible. Without enough vitamin C, collagen can't form properly, which means your tissues can't fully repair. You wake up stiff, achy, or sore, not because you're old, but because your body is missing the very thing it needs to restore itself. Vitamin C also acts as a powerful antioxidant. After physical activity, your muscles experience something called oxidative stress, a buildup of tiny molecules that cause inflammation and slow healing. Vitamin C helps clean that up. Taken before bed, it neutralizes those free radicals so your body can focus entirely on repair instead of fighting inflammation. That's why people who take vitamin C regularly tend to wake up feeling refreshed rather than drained. When you combine vitamin D and vitamin C before sleep, something remarkable happens. Vitamin D enhances muscle growth from the inside out, influencing genes that build new tissue and strengthen muscle fibers. Vitamin C supports the outside, repairing connective tissues and clearing away inflammation that would otherwise slow recovery. Together, they form a perfect partnership. One builds, the other protects. One fuels strength, the other restores resilience. And when they work during your deepest sleep, they create an environment in your body where healing, recovery, and growth can happen automatically. Now imagine this in your daily life. You finish a long walk, some gardening, or even a simple exercise routine your doctor recommended. Normally, you'd expect to feel sore or stiff the next day, but with this nightly vitamin pair, your recovery changes completely. As you sleep, vitamin D activates protein synthesis and strengthens your muscle fibers. Vitamin C rebuilds collagen and removes inflammation. When morning comes, you rise with less stiffness, steadier balance, and energy that feels new. Over time, this doesn't just make you feel better, it keeps you mobile, independent, and confident. And this isn't just about muscles. Both vitamins support your immune system, which becomes especially important with age. Vitamin D acts like a commander, telling your immune cells when to act and when to rest. Vitamin C gives those cells the energy and strength they need to fight infections effectively. Seniors who maintain healthy levels of both nutrients often notice fewer colds, faster recovery from minor injuries, and greater overall vitality. These vitamins are nature's way of keeping your inner systems coordinated and strong. Let's talk about timing, because this is the key that most people miss. Taking vitamins in the morning isn't bad, but it's not strategic. During the day, your body is in motion, focused on activity and energy use. But at night, everything changes. Your body shifts into repair mode. Growth hormones rise. Cortisol, the stress hormone that breaks down muscle, drops. This is the perfect moment to provide your body with the raw materials it needs to rebuild. That's why taking vitamin D and vitamin C at night can be so much more effective. You're not just adding nutrients, you're aligning them with your body's natural rhythm. You don't need to spend a fortune or overhaul your diet completely. While foods like salmon, eggs, milk, oranges, peppers, and berries all help, most seniors don't get enough of these vitamins from diet alone. That's where a simple supplement can make all the difference. Not as a replacement for healthy eating, but as a partner to it. Consistency is what matters most. Taking your vitamins once in a while won't change much. But taking them every night before bed, that's when you'll start to see transformation. Over the next few weeks, something subtle but profound begins to happen. You start sleeping more deeply. You wake up less sore. Your energy feels more stable throughout the day. You notice that walks feel easier, stairs feel less daunting, and your body feels younger from the inside out. Your recovery improves, your balance steadies, and your confidence grows. You realize you're not too old to get stronger. Your body just needed the right support to do what it's always known how to do. So tonight, as you prepare for bed, think of this as an act of restoration. When you take your vitamin D and vitamin C, you're giving your body the permission and the power to heal. You're not just swallowing pills, you're fueling resilience, independence, and longevity. You're reminding your body that strength doesn't vanish with age. It simply needs to be reawakened. This isn't about chasing youth. It's about honoring your body's ability to renew itself, no matter your age. With every good night's sleep supported by these two vitamins, you're reclaiming your vitality, your strength, and your freedom to move without pain or hesitation. And when you wake up tomorrow, stronger, steadier, and full of life, you'll know it wasn't luck or magic. It was your body finally being given what it truly needed all along. If this message inspired you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the Seniors Hub, and share it with someone who deserves to wake up stronger too. Your journey to renewed strength begins tonight. 1 peaceful sleep and 2 simple vitamins at a time.